What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, if so, to another market update video here at Benefit Central. I'm Benjamin, and today Bitcoin in the S&P charts. But before I get right into the market, please leave a like, drop a comment, and if you could subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Everybody, our current trade did get stopped out for Bitcoin. So far we've only made the profits off of Ethereum, off the breakout of the neckline, and we're waiting for XRP. But jumping into the charts right now for the S&P 500 real quick. Markets, I do believe, are still going to head up as long as we can maintain support around our neckline break. Usually the neckline break realistically the support is below the neckline, and it's our triple bottom formation we usually make, and then the new resistance becomes support for either the S&P or the Bitcoin, which we've done so far. We're doing it right now for the S&P 500 to try to see if we can make support. The way this closed I really do like, just because it's a doji, which can mean we can get another RBI like this formation, another formation like this, another formation like this right here. However, realistically, we just bounced off of the support of the neckline, like I had said, although we did get rejected of the descending channel that we are in, actually like right on the line we broke out. When I had mentioned it in the tweet and a short vid, and then we ended up correcting back down, which I said was also possible, and you just had to keep an eye on it. Just because we were overbought and just the way the market was settling towards the end of the week, we ended up a bit overbought on the 4 hour as well as almost on the daily. We hit up kind of high, again hitting the top of our descending channel. So this is most likely why Bitcoin decided to head lower, although today is Saturday and tomorrow's Sunday, so we do have a few days of independency from Bitcoin. But I don't expect too crazy a volume from it. But looking at Bitcoin right now, you can see that we managed to break a little bit lower down to our 22,000 level, found support around our 22,000 level, like I said around in our last video. The pivot did fail. We did go up around 24,000 and then rejected it. We got stopped out below our blue, and then it continued to 22,000. If it continues to break out of this, then I do believe that it will hit our red indicator and we should get across. However, if it does break out of this with bearish momentum, then I do believe that we could end up having momentum continue lower, breaking past our red indicator, forcing it to cross. However, with the bearish momentum, we could see us at least get back to our support at around 19,000 for Bitcoin. But I don't really think that's going to happen. I do believe that we're still going to get this cross, and we're going to continue to head up to higher highs now for this next coming week, if anything. So I am going to be keeping my eye on Bitcoin and be getting ready just to get myself back into it. Just because we do have this cross right here, and if we can maintain support, we broke above our triple bottom as well as our neckline, so our bullish momentum is there. Like we said, we did expect and anticipate rejection, just because of how we popped so aggressively. Like lately, right here, we popped aggressively. Once we got above our red indicator, we popped, and then we continued past 24, which all of us did not expect from this consolidation, just because each consolidation we've had inside this descending channel has broke us lower. Here and then here, it just has continuously put us in a stair-step pattern, and so we did not expect us to break bullish. However, with the triple bottom formation, that's more bullish than bearish, and we broke out of it bullish. But now, facing a bit of retracement, I do believe that we should find support around 22,000. If we do, I will be buying in, anticipating that we break through the 24,000. Although if we don't, then I will be waiting until we break the 24,000 or back into 22,000, depending on how low, or if we just decide to consolidate around these levels, then I'll buy into 24,000. However, jumping into Ethereum just real quick for you guys, you can see that we are still pushing forward, although finding rejection around our 1600 level. Let me just tweak this a little bit. Right around there. I like the whole numbers better. But the wicks and everything are what they touched, so you could squeeze an extra few profits if you were to do TPs around there, although I just like to keep everything exact and correct. So 1600 was the level that we're facing and got rejected above, or rejected from below. But we have our cross that we are getting right here. We could get some more bullish momentum as the days continue and to close. So as long as we can range above, we should be okay. At least above our neckline, which I believe we should. I don't think any of these cryptos will fall below their neckline. There's the indicators, there's the S&P, there's so much pushing this up that we just needed a bit of retracement. That's why we got a little bit of a pullback, just to reset the RSI and get the stock back to realistically get room to push back up to higher levels. It's just how the stock market works. It goes up. What goes up must come down to then get a retracement, a breather to go back up, to come back down. It's just how everything goes. But you identify the bigger trends, obviously, right? What comes up must come down to go up, to go higher, to come back down, to go lower. It's just trends that you just got to identify. With a huge uptrend, we have a downtrend now that everyone failed to recognize until we finally pivoted down from this level, which was from the 30,000 to, or for Bitcoin it was the 30,000 to 40,000. For Ethereum it's the 2,500 to the 3,500 level. Just a golden pocket, the best ratio where the market liked to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, like a fear of missing out or a comfort zone for the cryptos. But looking at this real quick, just again, we should, as long as, again, once we find some support, I will be buying in around 1,600. But as of right now, we are trying to find support around 1,500, which is expected. Jumping into the hourly just to show you what it looks like. Here we are. Oof. We do have a double top kind of formation forming. We did break through the 1,600 today. However, I don't really think that we will get enough momentum to break through it as of right now or in the next daily close. I do believe that probably next week that we will get our break of 1,600 to 2,000 once we finally get a break and close above that. But jumping into the XRP just real quick to show you guys the charts. The reason why I haven't jumped into XRP on a trade just yet is because we got rejected up from our neckline. We didn't get to break above it. Although the SEC and a few other rumors on media are boosting XRP right now in FOMO and a few other things that people are now eyeballing XRP just because of its massive deal that it supposedly got. I'll get more into that later or in another video when I have more information on it, and I'm sure about the information. But as of right now, the only reason I'm staying away from XRP, besides my investing portfolio, is just because we have gotten rejected from our neckline, and we do need to find that momentum and push back up from this cross if we get it, to push back out of the neckline. And besides that, we are still finishing this descending channel. So whether it takes us till we finish this descending channel to break out, or next week, which could be the rest of next week, maybe halfway through next week to finally break out. Take a look at the month real quick. Remember I had said about the GBI formation that I don't like, that is on some of these cryptos. We just realistically need to get above our neckline and close above, and then we should be okay. But other than that, everybody, that was just another quick market update video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Drop them down below in the comments. Just anything you guys would like me to cover. I know I kind of go through these fast. I've gotten a few comments saying I should slow down and explain a few things a bit more. It's just a quick market update. If you guys have any specific questions, I'll be happy to make a video or go over them while I'm doing a video. But other than that, please make sure to leave a like and drop a comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ciao.